Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. This is not the first video of the year that I planned to do. I was gonna start the year off with my birthday giveaway, which will be coming later this week. My birthday is on Friday, so happy birthday to me. But I got this amazing prize from FabFitFun and I had to do an unboxing because it is incredible. I just want to show y'all how big this box is. Like, I have a little table in front of me where I usually put like the makeup and the things that I'm working with in the video, and I can't set this on the table because it's in the shot. It's so big. So I'm gonna throw in a little video, if I can figure out how, or a picture of my dog Caroline next to this box, just to give you an idea of how crazy big it is.
It is a giant dog-sized box from FabFitFun.
So I actually have it sitting next to me on a chair, so maybe it won't fall. Let's just keep our fingers crossed. Okay, so I am a FabFitFun subscriber. If you watch my channel, you probably saw the unboxing that I did a couple seasons ago. I've gotten, I think 3 total FabFitFun boxes. I subscribed, I think, spring of last year, so I might be coming up on a renewal. I don't know. Maybe I've gotten 4. Spring, summer, fall, winter. Yeah, maybe I've gotten 4 now. Anyway, so I entered with my winter box a giveaway that they did on Instagram by just using some hashtags, and I was so excited that I won one of the giveaways. I have to look up the exact name of this, but it is the one from Pur Cosmetics, and I was so excited. Okay, it was called the Best Winter Selfie Giveaway from FabFitFun. Okay, they don't have it on their website anymore because it's no longer a current giveaway, but I want to say that it was $243 worth of prizes from Pur Cosmetics. They're a really underrated brand, but I really love them. I want to say I had a couple items before I got the Soiree palette from BoxyCharm back in the day, and I've just been a big fan of theirs ever since then. I think they do a great matte eyeshadow. But anyway, they do have a post-winter giveaway going on. If you are a FabFitFun subscriber, you should be able to access the current giveaways on their website. All the giveaways are open to people whether or not they're subscribers, but I'm not sure how you get to all the details if you're not a subscriber. So I'm gonna see if I can throw up a little screenshot to show y'all how to get to it. If not, I'll do some like still pictures so you know exactly where to go to look for the information, and it's just some hashtags that you use on Instagram in order to enter. So let's get to the fun part, which is the unboxing. So they boxed it really well. They used a ton of bubble wrap, which I really appreciated. Unfortunately, it's gonna make it a little bit loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out of this giant box, just so that I'm not constantly like, you know, rustling and being super, super, super loud and busting y'all's eardrums. Okay, so that's everything. So the first thing I saw was this really cute little postcard that says, "It's a good day to be you." And they just put a little note on the back, which I thought was really sweet. It just says, "Congrats, thanks for entering our giveaway. Enjoy your goodies. Team FabFitFun." So thank you again, FabFitFun, for the prize and the opportunity, and to Pur Cosmetics for this amazing prize. I was secretly hoping that I would get one of these items, so I'm just like, freaking out. Okay, So just in the order that they're on the table in front of me. The first item is the Pure Skin Perfecting Powder Balancing Act Mattifying Shine Control Powder. Isn't it funny how we're like throwing on highlight to be all shiny, and then we're like mattifying the places that we don't want to be shiny. Ooh, this is a pretty compact though. Wow, it's really gonna like glow with the ring light. Okay, not too bad. So this is this gorgeous silver compact. Oh, the powder is really pretty too. If it can get it to focus in on that since it's so shiny, but it is, I believe it's a translucent powder. It's good for any skin tone. So there's that. And I'm so organized, I'm putting everything back in the box, but part of that is because I have a couple of these items already, so I may be throwing some of the stuff into my birthday giveaway. I may be adding a third prize to my birthday giveaway. I don't know, so I don't want to swatch or like mess with the things that I know that I might be giving away to y'all, because you want a nice new product, not something that like is all nasty because I put my fingers in it and stuff. Okay, so I have the Pure Kiss of Confidence. A lot of these products, the vast majority of these products, are from their 16th anniversary collection, which you may have seen at Ulta and Kohl's and some other places. So this is a limited edition Sweet 16 lipstick trio and lip balm set. Let me go ahead and open it up. I'm sorry. This must be the balm. I'm gonna have to take it out and just, I don't know if it's gonna pick this up, but it's like gold glitter. Oh, that's incredible. Oh my God. This must be the balm. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh, I'm never gonna use this. I'm just gonna like put it up with my special makeup because it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. And then we've got like 3 really wearable shades. Let's see if it says what they are. Yes, Guest List, OMW, and Running Late. So they're all kind of pinky nude colors. The darkest color is not quite red, so are really wearable. Nothing too like out there. All right. So next, we have the Pure Bronze and Brighten, there we go, highlighter, bronzer, and blush palette. Now this guy I already have. I know it came in a subscription box, so I don't know if it was BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm tended to do a lot of Pure, so who knows. So anyway, I'll definitely be giving this away, whether I do it with my birthday giveaway or if I save it for a different giveaway, or if I add a third item to the giveaway. So it's got like a really nice coral blush and a shimmery bronzer and a highlight in this giant, nice palette. It's a very summery coral. Like, I think it's great for summer, and I think it also, you know, the Pantone color of the year is kind of a light coral color, so I think coral and orange is going to be big this year. This is one of my favorites. Okay, this packaging, like, how can you not love this, like, confetti? If you love confetti and glitter and stuff as much as I do, this is the Love Your Selfie 3 palette, of course. This is one of their limited edition Sweet 16. 10 eyeshadows, 2 glitter bases, a blush, a highlighter, a bronzer, and a deluxe fully charged mascara. Oh, and what a nice, like, attention to detail. That confetti is part of the palette, not the packaging. So you get to keep that awesome packaging. Of course, I'm dropping this on the ground immediately. All right, so this is some really beautiful, there's glitters, oh my God. Some really beautiful colors here. I don't think it's picking up true to color, but these are the two glitters down here, and then the larger ones are the blush and the highlight and the bronzer. This is kind of a blue, but they're nice neutral colors, some lights, some darks, so pretty much really versatile. Beautiful mattes. I would swatch this one, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna give it away, so I'm gonna not swatch it. And then our next really awesome thing is these brushes. This is the Party Essentials brush set. No animals were harmed in the making of these brushes. Thanks, computer. Yeah, you really needed to be a part of this video, huh? No animals were harmed in the making of these brushes, so that's pretty cool. And these are the oval brushes. This guy kind of came out of his holder in transit, but it just gives you an idea. I have an oval brush that my really good friend Lucy gave me for, I think it was my bachelorette party, and I use it with my Tarte Creaseless Concealer under my eyes, and oh my God, it's amazing. These oval brushes are awesome. I've actually never tried a pure brush, I don't think, so that's interesting. I'm saving the best for last. Okay, then we have the Pure Get This Party Started. It is a priming, what does it say? Limited edition party prep collection. So happy birthday to me. I'm not having a party, but if I was. So this set includes the Pure Lit Mist Illuminating Setting Spray. You can never have too much setting spray, right? Because you know, back in the day, before I watched Jeffree Star on YouTube, I'd just be like, and then I'd be done, you know, like I'm set, and now I'm just like use up one of those giant Urban Decay ones in like a week. All right, so this also has the Pure 4-in-1 Correcting Primer. Love a color corrector. If you have any redness, Energize and Rescue. It's got aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. This is the Glitterally Gold Brightening Peel Off Mask. I will be putting this on my face like immediately. I can't get it to focus. Is it focusing? I can't tell. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't tell if it's focusing. But yeah, let's just open this up because this one I know I'm keeping. Like, y'all can't have this. Alright, so of course my battery died like right at that moment that I was getting ready to rub this in and show it to y'all. So, but now I'm back. Went ahead and rubbed it in, and it is this gorgeous gold glitter peel off mask. So we're just gonna leave it on there and like peel it off later, see how it does. But yeah, I will definitely be using this immediately. And last in that set we have the Precious Metals Oil, which again is full of gold glitter. I mean, who doesn't love gold glitter? Like, they really did this Sweet 16. They really did the Sweet 16 collection very festive, like gold glitter, like confetti glitter. I love it. So I saved the best for last. If y'all know anything about me, if you've heard me talk, if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love eyeshadow palettes. I have an eyeshadow palette addiction. I really do. Like, Ulta is my happy place. It used to be Target. Now it's Ulta. Well, okay. If Ulta would just put in a Starbucks, then it would definitely be Ulta. But it's like, it's right up there. Target, Ulta, my happy place. So, this, I was afraid to even hope this would be in the box, because I looked at this so many freaking times at Ulta and almost bought it, and every time I'm like, Stacy, you don't need this palette. but I'm like, but I want this palette, oh my god. But no, so I was good. I talked myself out of it at least 3 times, and then I won it. So, oh, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna open it up and just show you this palette. So like the last one, we've got the confetti glitter in the packaging of the actual palette, not in the box. So we are gonna have this glitter confetti forever. And you know, this is gonna make me happy every time I use this. Like, it's gonna be a Tuesday morning at like 7 a.m. Putting my makeup on, and it's gonna make me happy. So I like how they have the 16, the pans arranged in the number 16 since it is their 16th anniversary birthday palette. But this guy's a little thick, like the Blood Sugar palette, which is what I'm wearing in case you're wondering. Paul Jeffrey. It has some hidden goodies. So it's got the mascara and lashes and a lipstick or a lip gloss. I don't know, I haven't taken it out. Let's take a look. This I'm definitely keeping. They got it in there really good, which is good. You know, you don't want it to go like flying out. This is the, we're just gonna swatch it because I have no idea if it's lipstick or gloss. Okay, yeah, it's definitely gloss. I didn't even pull it out all the way. I could just feel, I could tell by like twisting it and pulling it just a little bit, I could feel it. It's gloss. It is the DIY shade, a really light pink. So this I'll be giving away too because I'm not a lip gloss person. I want to be, I try so hard to do gloss, but no. I'm a matte lippy all the way kind of girl. So that one slides in, and then there's one on the other side. And this has got your highlight, blush, and bronzer. So it's such an awesome palette. Oh my goodness. So I'm in love with it now. The box says, oh yeah, High Shine Lip Gloss in shade DIY. Pure eyelashes in Diva. 2 blushes, a highlighter, fully charged mascara, another limited edition goodie. This for sure 1000% I'm keeping for myself because yay! I mean, how many times do you want something and then win it? Like, when does that even happen? I'm just so thankful and blessed. You know, FabFitFun is amazing. I won this. They had me sign a release, and it came in the mail in like 3 days. Last but not least, that was everything in the box. So let's see if this guy will peel off. Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, that peeled off really nice, and it left a little bit of glitter, but I don't care about that. So yeah, that is my amazing prize from FabFitFun and Pur. Thank you again to both of them, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you like this video, I do hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. I have a lot of stuff coming this year. I've got stuff planned. I don't have a filming schedule yet, but I'm gonna be, that's one of my New Year's resolutions, is to be more consistent with uploading stuff to YouTube because I love making videos, I love talking about makeup, and I love y'all that take the time to watch my videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a couple days when we talk about my birthday giveaway. Bye.